Hey campers! Tired of the same old gear? Get ready, because today we're revealing 20 of the most wonderful camping gadgets and gear, and guess what? They're all under budget. Whether you're hitting the trails or just camping in your backyard, these gadgets will make your trip smarter, comfier, and way more fun. Let's dive in. Number 1. Ever thought you could shower in the wild? Meet the Pocket Shower by Sea to Summit. This ultralight bag holds 10 liters of water and gives you a full 8-minute shower wherever you are. Hang it from a branch, let the sun warm it up, and you've got a mini spa in the middle of the forest. Number 2. This gadget literally puts your fire on pause. The Campfire Defender fire cover lets you safely cover your campfire and preserve coals for the next morning. It's safer, smarter, and saves you wood and time. Number 3. Stop cracking your eggs before breakfast. The Codlin's egg storage container protects up to a dozen eggs inside your pack. No mess, no stress, just fresh eggs when you're ready to cook. Number 4. Want to hide your snacks from a bear? Seriously. The OPSAK bear-proof scent bags seal tight and block odors from escaping, keeping your food safe from curious critters, and even hungrier bears. Number 5. The tiniest bidet you've ever seen. The Kulo Clean portable bidet turns any plastic bottle into a hygienic, eco-friendly cleaner. Forget the TP panic, you're covered. Number 6. This pump fits in your pocket, but powers your whole camp. The FLEXTAILGEAR Tiny Pump X inflates air mattresses, helps light fires, and even powers lanterns. All that, from something smaller than your palm. Number 7. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. The GSI Outdoors Java Drip collapses flat, but brews rich, barista-level coffee in the wild. Because mornings in nature deserve great coffee too. Number 8. Say goodbye to bouncy, annoying headlamps. The BioLite Headlamp 325 fits like a glove on your forehead, weighs almost nothing, and stays steady through hikes, cooking, and midnight bathroom runs. Number 9. Fight mosquitoes with science, not sprays. The Thermacell Mr. 300 creates a 15-foot mosquito-free zone around you. No sprays, no DEET, just peace. Number 10. A grill that rolls up like a yoga mat? Yup. The Go BQ portable grill gives you full grill power, but rolls up to fit in your backpack. Bring it out, fire it up, and enjoy real food in the wild. Number 11. Ice cubes at camp? You bet. With the Stasher silicone ice tray, just pre-freeze, pack, and pop ice into your cooler. Your drinks just got upgraded. Number 12. Say hello to a cleaner campsite. Codlin's pop-up trash can folds flat and pops up instantly when you need it. Keep things clean without lugging a big bin. Number 13. This chair is lighter than your water bottle. The Helinox-style ultralight camp chair holds up to 250 pounds, sets up fast, and lets you relax anywhere. Number 14. A stove that burns twigs? Totally real. The Solo Stove Lite uses leaves, twigs, and small sticks to cook your meals. No gas, no canisters, just fire, naturally. Number 15. It looks like a pen, but catches fish. The pocket fishing rod is compact enough to fit in your glove box but strong enough to reel in dinner. Number 16. A lantern that charges your phone too? Yes please. The Lumen 8-Pack Lite Max is solar-powered, inflates into a lantern, and doubles as a power bank. Lightweight, waterproof, and super practical. Number 17. Take your spices wherever you go. The GSI Outdoors Spice Rocket keeps all your seasonings in one waterproof, stackable container. Who says camp food has to be bland? Number 18. A pillow that sings you to sleep. The Trekology Camp Pillow with Bluetooth speaker lets you play music, white noise, or podcasts while you relax under the stars. Number 19. Cold fingers are officially cancelled. Save your heat. Rechargeable heated glove liners warm up in seconds and slip into any glove. Perfect for chilly mornings or high altitudes. Number 20. The tiniest soap kit you'll ever carry. Sea to Summit Wilderness Wash soap sheets are compact, dry, and dissolve instantly in water. Clean your dishes, clothes, or yourself. No spills, no waste. Camping gear doesn't have to be boring. With these 20 weird and wonderful gadgets, you'll be cleaner, cozier, and way more entertained outdoors. Which one did you find the most surprising? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more cool outdoor finds, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Until next time, happy camping!